To add Flutter to our path variable, we will add this line of command into our .bashrc file. So, let's get started. First, open a file manager and change setting to show all hidden files. Then you will be able to see .bashrc file, located in your home folder. Now open the .bashrc file using a text editor. You will see something like this, but yours may look different. Now, go to the folder where you extracted and copied Flutter binaries. I have copied them in my development folder, which is inside my home folder. Copy the full path of the bin folder, which is inside Flutter folder. Then on .bashrc file, add this at the bottom. Export, path equals, $path, your full path for Flutter bin, . And then save it. After that, open up a terminal and enter this command. Source, ~bashrc. Now hit enter, and we have successfully added Flutter path. Finally, you will be able to run Flutter from terminal. Also, now you can run Flutter Doctor to confirm. And that's it,